In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front inner fender well on this Cadillac Escalade. Let's get into it. Take the center cap off. I'm just going to use a rag so I don't scratch the wheel. Use a straight blade screwdriver. Pop that off. Using a 22mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Remove the wheel. There's some push pins in. Just use a trim tool. Take the push pins out. Just like that. Take these screws out. Use a 7mm socket. I'm going to take the other screws out. I'm going to use a T15 socket. You can take that piece off. Now, underneath the vehicle, we're going to take out these two screws. Use a 10mm socket. And grab the inner fender well. And just tip it down. And it slides right out. And slide the inner fender well in place. Might have to fold it a little bit. I'm just going to take the top screw, get that started. And get some of the other screws started. And put this bracket on, or trim piece. And put the other screws right there and there. Tighten these all down. Put the push pin in. Lock it down. If you have another one, put it in there. And put these two lower screws in underneath. Tighten them down. Put the wheel on. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Now just go around again, double check. Take the center cap. On the back side, you can see where the valve stem is. Just line that up with the valve stem. And tap it on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.